So welcome back.
How's it going?
I'm good. So tell me how you've done since your visit last time.
So last time I came, you popped that right side. It was feeling good when I got home. I rested it, iced it, but then this morning woke up, exact same pain.
Exact same pain?
Exact same pain.
How long did the relief last?
A couple hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was better than the previous couple visits?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. And then any changes, like shooting pains anywhere?
Yeah, so like last night I was just doing some stretches. I was doing like a side curl reach, and I don't know, out of nowhere, just had a pain that shot up my back, and it was persistently there. Like, it was still painful after it just shot. It wasn't just a shoot and pain go away. It was a shoot, and it stayed.
And like
like there's something there that needs to be moved over or something. I don't know.
And you hadn't had that pain before?
Haven't had that pain before, and it's still there.
And that was just with a reach?
It was just me at like I was doing like a curl. I was like on my, I think I was laying down, bringing my legs up to me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
So nothing shooting into your legs?
Nothing shooting into my legs, just back here going up.
So it was more left side yesterday?
Actually, it's right side right now.
More right side?
Yeah. Yesterday was more left side. Yeah.
Today's more right side.
Now it's more right side.
And then it's shooting up to about?
And it's going up to like my shoulder. Okay. Like right here. Like if you press right here, it goes up to like half my back.
Okay, and you're still feeling that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's go through some range of motion. I'm gonna have you stand up.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Yeah, tough to get up sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is let's build.
I got a pain that's coming up on my left side, like just consistently right here.
Okay.
It's not on the right side at all.
Okay.
Just left side, really consistent right here.
Okay. Let's see.
Like right there is where it's at.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah. All right. So let's bend forward as far as you can go. Stop at the point where you feel
stop
pain.
where I feel pain.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay. All right. And then go back as far as you can go.
It actually feels good to do this.
Feels better going back. Yeah. Okay. And then let's bend to the right as far as you can go. How's that?
It's good.
Okay. We'll go to the other side.
There's a little bit of a tension on this side. Right
Okay.
here.
We're on the right side.
Yeah.
And then we'll turn. Okay.
Turned to go back, just popped when I did that.
Okay. Good. All right. So let's have you sitting. We'll have you sitting going this way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is establish where your problem's located here. Any pain here?
Nothing.
Okay. Center?
Yes.
Okay. And left?
Yes.
Okay. More in the center?
Yeah.
More in the left?
More center, I think.
More center?
Yeah.
Okay.
It feels kind of the same.
Okay. And
but
then
I can tell that all the pain comes from the center.
From the center?
Yeah.
So this one here?
That one there.
How about the one above it?
Yeah. That
one hurts as well?
Yeah.
More so?
More.
And here?
Pain goes away a little bit, but it's still there.
Okay. And then here?
A little bit of something, yeah.
Okay. And here?
A little bit of something there too.
Okay. It's working our way up. Any pain?
A little bit. It actually goes down. I can feel it on the bottom of my spine when you press there.
When I press here, you feel it lower?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, yesterday you were feeling more pain over here.
Yeah, so like...
Okay, but that's not as bad today?
Not as bad, no.
Okay.
Not right this second.
And that's where we got the adjustment?
Right, yeah.
But it feels like it's shifted?
Yeah, so,
okay.
So this is the one we couldn't get yesterday.
Okay, all right. So you feel like this area here needs more attention along with the middle?
In the middle, for sure.
Okay, gotcha. All right.
And then my... Like, worth mentioning, like my spine, like this part of my muscles are very weak.
They feel weak.
They feel weak and they hurt.
Okay, and that feels like where the shock went.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
They feel weak and they hurt, and it hurts right there. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're going to loosen the area here with the massager. Let me know if there's any pain or discomfort with it. No problem?
A little bit of like pain, but it's good. Like it feels good.
Like a good hurt sensation?
Yeah.
Good. Good? All right, so we're gonna check your leg length here. And you are shorter on your left leg, 1/2 inch difference here. And there's an elevation of your hip on this side here. So you're tilted and shifted this way.
I can feel it when I walk.
You can feel it when you walk, yeah.
When it's leaning on the side.
And how about this spot here? Any pain there?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. All right, so first area I'm gonna adjust is right in here. So I'm gonna have you lay on your right side facing me.
Right side.
And we're bend in here
Okay.
and down. We'll scoot you a little bit closer to the edge here. There we go. And actually we'll go back in. That's good right there. And we're gonna go here, and a pull, and a bend. And head back. Good. Then we'll go to the other side. I felt movement.
Yeah, I was like.
Okay. And then we're bending here. Shoulder goes back. And we're going to be right there. Head back. Very good.
Yes.
Good. All right.
That's the one, man.
So we got it on both sides. Okay.
Man, that was
good. That's what you needed.
yeah.
And we're crossing. All right, and then we're going to adjust you right in here. So big breath in. Blow it all the way out. Very good. And again, big breath. Then all the way out. Okay, come back up. And we'll go flat on your back. All right, and then we're gonna cross your arms. And then rolling towards me. Big breath in.
Yeah, tension there.
And out. There we go, good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna zoom in.
You should make like a little compilation video. I always like watching.
You like that?
Where it's like back to back cracking sounds, just crack.
You want to hear cracks the entire time?
Yeah, that's.
I'm with you. Yeah. Those are fun.
Yeah. What are you feeling for when you do that?
So when I do this, I'm feeling for bones that
Or protruding?
are protruding. There could be some muscular tension that I feel.
Gotcha. I was wondering, like, they all do that.
Yeah, and then when I do this, I can feel if there's a restricted movement.
Gotcha.
And it's just something that you develop over time. So right there.
Oh.
Very good. Chin up. Very good. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go to the end of the table over here. So scoot down. A lot of movement in your neck.
What was there?
Yeah, that's good. All right, and then I'll have you lay flat on your back. Okay, so we're lifting up your head and go flat. So make sure your tongue's out of your teeth. We'll go both feet. Yep, there you go.
All right, have hands out or
Just hands on your belly is fine. So big breath in, all the way out, and stretch. And again, big breath in, and out, and a pull.
Oof.
Very good. All right, how was that?
Oh man, that one felt like something happened for sure.
Where was it?
Up here.
Up in the neck?
Yeah, up here.
Okay. All right, let's bring you up. Okay. All right, let's have you stand up. Check your motion.
Am I going forward?
Yeah.
See, it's like it gets right here, like yesterday. Same little little place, like right here.
Certain spots you feel it.
Yeah. Back motion's good.